Hi there, welcome back to another video on JD's home. So I've been making yogurt at home for my kids for a while, and one day my daughter was like, "Mommy, if we have to buy yogurt to make yogurt, then how was the first yogurt made?" And that was a light bulb moment for me, and I decided to make my own yogurt starter from scratch using lemon. Have you ever made your lemon starter? This video is going to give you a kickstart on how to do that, and it's going to give you all what you need. So first, you need your milk. I used half cup of milk. Use exactly these measurements and it's going to turn out exactly the way you saw my yogurt at the beginning. I used half cup of milk and 1 cup of water. So the cup I am using is a half cup. So even when you see me pour 1 full cup of it, know that that is half cup. Okay, it's written on it half cup. So I used half cup of milk, and then I used a total of 1 cup of water. I added my water slowly and I kept on mixing to just dissolve my milk. Please, if you have a small whisk, use it for this process. You want to mix your milk and your water until it dissolves. One thing that I always do when I am making yogurt is that when I have mixed my milk, even if I cannot see lumps, I just run it through a sieve. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. I will use my tea sieve, and then I'm going to just drain my yogurt and my milk. Sorry, you can see that there are some like few lumps on the sieve. So you want to do that now. You can see how smooth the milk looks, right? So I'm going to transfer it on the cooker, and I'm going to just boil it like on medium heat. And the moment I notice that it starts boiling, like I start seeing those bubbles form at the corner of my pot, I know that my milk is hot enough. So I'm going to take it down. In fact, at that point it's going to be a little bit hotter than what I actually want, because I'm not going to put my lemon inside immediately. So the lemon is what is going to help us now to form our yogurt. And when it's actually not going to be our yogurt, it's going to be our yogurt starter. So I've taken out the milk from the fire now. I just boiled it for like 3-4 minutes, because the pot is first of all very small, and the quantity of lemon yogurt starter I am making is also very small. And you don't need to make a lot of it because it's going to be very lemony. So you need to use it to make a bigger batch of yogurt, and then before you get away with that very strong like lemon bitterness and flavor, except you are really a fan of lemon like that. So I just washed my lemon and then I cut it. I see some people putting in their lemon with the backs of the lemon. I don't do that because I cannot get over the fact that that lemon has rolled on the floor in the market because of the way they sell lemons here in our market. So I peeled it, and you trust me, you don't need the back of the lemon because it's going to work just fine. And please ensure that your milk is still hot, not lukewarm. It has to be hot, but hot in the way that it's bearable. I always test it behind my palm, or you can dip your finger in. Generally, I don't like to dip my finger in, especially when I'm making my big batch of yogurt. I would not dip my finger in. I always test it at the back of my palm, or maybe I just take a spoon and drink a little bit to know. So for me, that has always worked. But I feel like if it's your first time making it and you have not yet understood what temperature you have to add in your yogurt starter, it might be a struggle. So you can see how thick it is. It's actually looking like yogurt. It is actually yogurt, but we can't eat it like this. So I'm going to use this to make a full batch of yogurt. Stay tuned for that video. So I'll do a comparison of how my yogurt will turn out using store-bought yogurt versus homemade lemon starter yogurt. Okay, stay tuned for that video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.